In this video we are going to talk about the best sewing machines in this year, which is JUKI HZLF 300 sewing and quilting machine. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. JUKI's flagship Exceed Series full-size machine. JUKI has incorporated years of industrial sewing machine know-how in this powerful workhorse. The box feed enables this machine to sew through a wide range of thickness with ease and perfect stitches. 16 automatic buttonholes are included and controlled by electronic sensor for accuracy and wide range of adjustment. A full range of the most useful 106 stitches in 3 fonts give you more than enough choices while maintaining simplicity of design. One-touch automatic threading and one-pedal controlled thread cutting will let you fly through your projects while the LED light leads the way. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.